What is up, YouTube? AVI back with another video, and today we are going to be doing a miles per gallon challenge with the Mustang Ecoboost 2015 and the 2016 Subaru Impreza. They're both 4-cylinders, so we figure, you know, why not just compare the miles per gallon. Dave's is completely stock engine-wise, and he is supposed to be averaging from Subaru, claiming 28 miles per gallon in the city and 37 on the highway, which is pretty good. The Mustang stock is 21 city and 32 miles per gallon highway. Obviously mine has a cold air intake on it, so it should be getting a little bit better than that. But we want to see, you know, are these cars true to their miles per gallon? So we're going to be doing it for 300 straight miles. Both of us 300 miles, just doing our everyday commute. They're pretty similar commutes. And we want to see which car performs better. So let's get to the video. We will start with day one. Just wanted to stop the video here to talk about our giveaway that we're going to be doing. If you guys follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our channel, we're going to be giving away some Super Clean in the next week. The original Super Clean bottle here and the aerosol spray can there. So in order to enter, like I said, subscribe to us and follow our Instagram, and we'll be picking a winner sometime next week. Good luck on the sweepstakes, and let's get back to the video. All right, guys, we are inside the Mustang. We are going to restart our miles per gallon right now, and we are going to start the miles per gallon challenge with the Subaru. Let's go.
Hey, what's up, guys? So here I am in my Subi. Me and Tim are doing our 300-mile MPG test to see which 4-cylinder will be better with the MPGs. Here I am at the halfway mark, more than halfway. I'm at 170 miles for our trip A. And as you can see here, right now we're at 27.9. Earlier it was at 28.2, but I let my car warm up so it's not too loud. So you can see idling your car, it does drop the miles, the MPG. So it was at 28.2. But you can see it's not looking good for me. We'll see at the 300 mile mark that we'll see if I end up going to 30. But back to Tim.
All right, just giving a halfway update to the 300 mile per gallon challenge, the Mustang versus the Subaru. So we're just over halfway, 178 miles. We are averaging 28.2 miles per gallon. It's pretty good. It has been dropping recently because a few days I've been driving more back roads, so it has decreased to 28.2. And I do, now that it's getting colder in Connecticut, like it's 43 degrees here, I have been starting up my car a lot more frequently to let it run, so that has hurt my gas mileage a little bit. But let's see how the last 130 miles or so go, and we'll see if the Mustang can beat the Subaru.
What's up, guys? So fast forwarding into the future, we're at 300-ish miles, 340 miles. And the final MPG for this trip is 28.8. So I'm a little disappointed in myself. I could have went a little higher than I thought. I have done it before, but you know, it's just that my commute is mostly back roads and highways are pretty much rare for me. So yeah, I mean, that's the outcome for this little Impreza that could. I know when we did this test initially, it was 30 MPG, like 30.9 MPG, so it is possible. And if we look at my B trip odometer, there's like 2,000 miles on it, and you can see 29.4 is the average for that if you guys wanted to take a look at that. But for this trip, 340 miles, 28.8 MPG. And there you have it. Maybe Tim's Mustang beat me. We'll see.
All right, guys, we are back after 336 miles. So we have completed the 300 mile challenge. We've actually gone a little bit over. And my final miles per gallon is 27.6 average miles per gallon in the Mustang Ecoboost. This has been hovering around 27.6, 27.5 miles per gallon. The last few, probably 100 miles or so. So it's pretty consistent. The reason the drop from 150 miles to now, I think is because, like I said, it's now cold in Connecticut. It's 39 degrees. So it's pretty cold. So every time I've been driving my car, I've been letting it run for at least 3 minutes or so to get the engine at least somewhat warm before going. So that's the reason the drop from, I think it was 28.1 to 27.6 average miles per gallon. But that is pretty good compared to the EPA estimated mile per gallon with the Mustang.